In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Telegram channel history on Telegram desktop in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you want to clear out old messages in a channel you manage, remove clutter, or start fresh without having to delete the channel itself. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Telegram tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your PC. If you're not already signed in, log into your account and wait for your chats to load. Once Telegram opens, look at the left-hand chat list and click the channel you want to clear. Make sure you select the correct channel, especially if you manage multiple groups or channels, because this action will affect the history inside that channel. After opening the channel, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three dots icon, which opens the channel options menu. Click on those three dots to bring up the available actions. From the menu, choose Clear History. Telegram will usually ask you to confirm that you want to remove the channel's message history. This is an important step because clearing history can permanently remove messages from the channel view. Read the confirmation carefully, then click Delete. Once you confirm, Telegram will begin clearing the history from the channel. After the process is done, the channel history will be removed and the chat will look empty or refreshed depending on the channel settings. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete Telegram channel history on Telegram desktop. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Telegram tips and tutorials.